Yo guys, what is up? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can copy and paste on Roblox. And it's actually quite simple, so let's get right into the video. So as you might know, on desktop it's quite easy to copy and paste. You just have to select the part you want to copy and click Ctrl Z. But on mobile it's a bit harder. So the only thing you can do is to create like a shortcut replacement, so that you just need to type in one word and then a whole sentence pops up. To do this, it's actually quite simple. So go to settings, scroll down until you see general, tap onto that, go down until you see keyboard, and then text replacement. Click onto that, click on the little plus on the top. For example, my sentence is hello, I'm new here. So for the phrase you type in hello, and for the the phrase should be hello, I'm new here, and the shortcut should just be hello. And what this does is just when you go into Roblox and you just type in hello, it automatically replaces hello with hello, I'm new here. If this video helped you, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.